Hey y'all, welcome to Cajun RNEWBBQ. I'm Bones. Glad you could join me today. As you can see right now, I'm a little sporadic on making videos. That's because my mom's in the hospital and I'm her main caregiver, so it's a lot of back and forth between the home and the hospital. But she'll be getting out pretty soon, so yay for that. And I'll be able to get back to making videos pretty regularly. So on today's video, we're going to do a war between Uncle Steve's competition cow powder and pig powder on a chicken. I know they're not made for a chicken, but we're going to see which one pairs better with it. And we're going to do it all on the Pit Barrel Junior. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're going to go ahead now and start seasoning up our birds. I've already cut it in half and dried it all off. We're going to go ahead now and start trying to peel back some of this skin because I want to get some of the flavor onto the meat. There we go. First up is the pig powder. All right, now we're going to go ahead and move over to our cow powder. Of course, now since I'm starting to film again, everybody wants to drive past my house. But the entire time that it took to cook, nobody was driving really past my house. Just my luck. But anyway, now on to what we're going to do. If you go ahead and take a look over here at the one that has the pig powder, it's got this nice richer mahogany coloring to it. You can definitely see down here where the thigh portion is. It's got this nice mahogany where we've got nice concentration of the pig powder. It's got the paprika and the cayenne and all the other spices that he puts in there. Just nice, rich coloring. And then we've got the cow powder over here that it's got much more concentration of the cracked black pepper. Just gives it a nice, richer, more Texas style look to it. So let's go ahead and now cut into these chickens. All right, let's go ahead and start with the pig. You can definitely taste all the paprika and the black pepper and just the other herbs and spices. Got a definite heat note to it. Overall, definitely impressed with how it pairs well with chicken. Let's go with the black pepper now. Cleanse the palate. Cheers. It's definitely more Texasy. It's got a lot more of the salt and pepper to it. Definitely has a couple other of the ingredients, herbs and spices in there too, but it's more salt and pepper to it. So if you're looking to be more Texas oriented, I would go with cow powder on your chicken. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.